Hi, to reset camera settings on Samsung Galaxy S25, you just need to open Camera app first. Then in Photo mode, tap on 4 dots icon and choose this first icon, which is Settings. And then scroll all the way down, and on the bottom of the page, you would see this option to reset settings. Just tap it and confirm by tapping red button Reset. After that, you would see how to use your camera. All of the filters would be deleted. So if you turned on any filter, it would be bring back to original one, and so on. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.